model today, and today we have a Mercedes Benz vehicle. This is my first cabriolet or a convertible car from Mercedes. So let's get started. This I've bought directly from Mercedes Benz official website. Let me just quickly get into the box. See here. Mercedes Benz AMG. So this is the S63 AMG Cabriolet from Mercedes Benz. As per my knowledge, what I've read in the description, this is made by GT Spirit. Let's quickly get into the box. Superb. Just have a look at this baby. So fantastic looking. Wow. I was waiting for a model from GT Spirit which is a convertible one, so that you get the whole look inside. Let me just quickly unscrew this car and show you the real model. So here we have the car in its complete glory. Wow man, this is so good. It's really bulky. It's not light by any standards, and yeah, it's a resin model. It's not a die-cast, and yes, it is from GT Spirit. As you can see, it's a limited edition model over here. As mentioned, it's 893 of 1967 cars made worldwide. Mercedes AMG S63, supremely made. The whole design looks spectacular, and this completely open car, convertible car, looks awesome, especially for a car enthusiast or a car model collector, because you can have a look at the details like the air vents. You can have a look at the seat belts, the steering wheel, the infotainment system. Wow. I'll definitely upload certain photographs with this video so that you can have a better look. Brake calipers, they look awesome, and simply wow. the speakers in the real car. The headlamp, housing, the grille, everything looks spectacular. There is nothing to complain about in this car. Yeah, one would have loved if we could actually have a convertible part over here so that you can actually open up and put the roof on the car, but it's okay. The detailing is very good, it's spot on. I don't see any reason to complain. Just one nitpicking that I can do, if the paint job inside, I mean near the seats, if it could have been done a bit better. But apart from that, I don't see any problems with this vehicle. You can see the dashboard. Superb. So let me know in the comments how well did you like it. And as I told you, this is my first convertible from Mercedes. I have one from Rolls-Royce that I'll share in a future video, and do share it with your car enthusiast friends. Do like my videos if you think they are worth your time. Subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Ciao. Bye-bye.